Assalamu alaikum. Today in the Wazwan series, I'm going to show you how mutton Seekh kebabs are made. These succulent skewered lamb kebabs are seasoned to perfection and charred on charcoal for the best flavor. They are served as appetizers on Wazwan trami or platter, and this video has been made with the help of Kashmiri local chefs or wazas. So let's get started. The local chefs or wazas get started by mincing meat chunks manually. They have taken small chunks of boneless meat with fat and start mincing it on a wooden log with a special kind of knife, as you can see in this video. Wazwan is an art in itself, and everything is almost done manually and needs a lot of patience and dedication that we all get to see while relishing Wazwan. They have added salt midway as it's not fully done yet and the process of mincing is still underway. It takes a good amount of time to mince this meat and make it ready for kebabs. Now, after a lot of manual hard work, here you can see the texture of mince has changed, and it's not very fine but coarse. That's how we need it for kebabs. And at this stage they will refrigerate it, but they will add some spices. Until now they have just added salt, and a few more spices will be added, and then it will be kept in refrigeration for an hour or so. So here they will add some cumin seeds, black cardamom pods, chopped green coriander, turmeric powder, chili powder, 2 whole eggs, and salt. According to Wazas, this step can be done after refrigeration also, but they have done it before it. And then they are going to knead it properly with hands. That helps for binding it better. Here you can see they are kneading it properly, and then they will keep it in refrigerator for an hour or so. Now, after an hour of refrigeration, they have taken it out and started mincing it again. At this stage, they are not going to mince it for long. It's for a very short time so that everything's mixed properly. And then they are going to put it on skewers. Now this is a crucial step here. So here you can see they are putting mince on the skewers, and they are adding some, they have kept water also, they are dipping their hands in water, and here you can see skewers are ready to go on the charcoal. And meanwhile they have prepared charcoal also. So here you can see how they have manually created a setup to char the kebabs. They will keep flipping the sides till it's done on all sides. So here you can see how they are charred on charcoal. And then comes the final stage before serving. That's cutting the kebabs in equal parts and chopping off the eggs. So here you can see kebabs are ready. Here the mouth-watering succulent Kashmiri Seekh kebab are ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.